Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to access TikTok Ads Manager. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TikTok Ads homepage by typing ads.tiktok.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button, which is usually prominently displayed. Next, enter your email and password. Ensure that the information you input is accurate. If you've previously created an account with TikTok Ads Manager, use the registered email and password. If you forget your password, there is typically a forgot password option to help you reset it. After entering your credentials, click on the login button. You may need to complete a CAPTCHA verification to confirm that you are not a robot. This usually involves selecting images or typing letters displayed on the screen. Once verified, you'll receive a verification code sent to your email. Check your inbox for this code and enter it on the TikTok Ads Manager login page. After that, you will be able to access your TikTok Ads Manager. So that's basically how you can access TikTok Ads Manager. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.